guys, so welcome back to my channel, The Island Styles TV, and today we will be doing a shoe haul, a summer shoe haul. And I know it's been long overdue. I've been doing a lot of stuff, being busy, and we're just gonna go right in. My first two pairs of shoes that I purchased for the summer are from Sam Edelman, and I love this brand of shoe. I love the quality of it, and they do have a lot of I guess look-alikes, like replicas of high-end. And this first pair is one that I absolutely love. They're super comfortable, and they give you a very Gucci inspired look. And that's these right here. They're in size 9. They're white with that gold embellishment at the top. They're these mules, and if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen these being worn already. I like them, like I said, and they're super comfortable. This is the only pair that I have of them, but it reminds me so much of the Gucci Princeton mules that they have, which runs roughly around $900. So you get the look for the fraction of the price. And if you're into like looking like $1 million bucks, then this is the way to go. Sam Edelman. Right. Okay, so my next pair, those are called Lorna, the white ones. Okay, and the second pair that I have, or that I got from Sam Edelman, and I purchased these through Nordstrom, which is where I usually purchase my shoes, well, most of my shoes, or shoes like these. These are the Sam Edelman Gala suede in the color red. These are also size 9, and I've worn these already as well. I think all of these shoes I've worn already because it's just been long overdue with getting these videos done. So these are very comfortable. I've worn them with jeans already. It's like a comfy, beachy type of vibe with but I don't know, a little dressy. Well, you could dress it up with this type of material. The suede gives it a touch of class, I think, and the pop of color. I mean, who doesn't like a pop of color with any outfit? So this is absolutely adorable, and I just like the two strap is very simple, very chic, very up my alley. And yeah, so those are these. I don't remember the price, but I'll be sure to link all the shoes, or those that I can link, in the description bar below if you're interested in buying those as well. My next pair are from Target. Target had a sale which I missed, so I was not able to capitalize on the shoe purchases. So I was only able to get 2 pairs, and 2 cute pairs, might I add. The first pair I recently worn to the beach. Well, not to the beach, sorry, to the pool on our property here. So these are them. I don't know the names. I don't think they have a name, but these are just some slides that I got from Target with this cute little tribal print detail and the plain black leather strap. These are comfortable, although these are 8.5. These have some stretch, like this tab right here. This is pretty stretchy, so when you walk, I find that my feet slips back of the shoe, which is something I don't like. It's very uncomfortable because I have to keep trying to push my foot forward in the shoe. It could be because it's like a half size smaller, but I usually wear between 9, 8.5 in sandals. 8.5 fits exact, and 9 just gives me a little bit of room. So with the stretch, it should have been able to fit me pretty good, but I don't know, maybe I need to wear it some more and get the stretch out a little bit. But I think they're absolutely cute. You could wear them with any casual look. I wore them to the pool, which I wore with just a black bathing suit and some shorts, and that was it. And you could wear this with jeans as well. They're pretty simple and easy to wear. And the other ones are also a size and a half. These are like some tassel ones, which are super, super, super cute. I've never worn anything like this before, so I thought that this would be, I don't know, a little bit out of my comfort zone. I like plain and simple and easy to wear type of stuff. I mean, this is easy to wear. I've worn it with some pink chinos and a floral top that had some of this color in it. So it works. But I bought them because I absolutely love the little tassel detail in them, and it's burgundy, and yeah, why not? So those are my Target haul. My next haul is actually from Aldo. This one I haven't worn as yet, but they're absolutely cute. These are in Maya. This is the Aldo box, and they're called, the box dropped. They're called Maya, and it has these cute pearl embellishment on the straps going across. There's like this pearl and like pewter type of color detail, if you could see that. They're pretty cute. These are in size 9, so they fit pretty well with a little bit of room to move around. And this is a cute shoe actually that you could dress up your casual look with. You know, instead of wearing like a plain white tee and some boring slides to dress up the look, you could add these pair, this pearl embellished sandal, and you could maybe throw on a little jean jacket, and you have a cute little casual movie look, you know, something of that sort. So these are nice. I haven't worn them yet, so I'll find somewhere to wear them, and that would be that. My last 2 pairs are actually from Zara, and I'm gonna go, these have been like up and down my Instagram feed, and that's only because I just love them. It's this bright tribal printed slides that I got from Zara. I think they're just absolutely adorable. I've worn them, of course. I've worn them with a white shirt dress. I've worn them with a striped shirt dress with shorts, and I think I've worn them with long jeans and a t-shirt. So these are pretty good. It just gives your outfit just a little bit of personality, a little pop, a little, you know, I just think they're pretty cool, and I could not pass up on them from Zara. So if you are interested, I think Zara had a sale. It may still be going on, I'm not sure, but they had, I think, 40% to 70% off on, I think, all their items. So if you missed it, you missed a good one. So these are the Zara slides. And then the next one, I really like these because they look expensive. They have like a luxury look to it. This is like another get the look type of slide. They remind me, though they look totally different, they remind me of the Hermes slides. They have them in this cognac brown type of color, and this is leather, so I know I'm gonna have this for a while. These are also in size 9, and I just like the simplicity of it. These are just like throw on and go type of slides that can just give your look a very luxurious feel to it. Like people would, I mean, even though it's Zara and they're like all over, they have them in like different colors. I think they have like a light blue, they have a yellow, and they have a red. I'm not sure if they have a white, but these ones, I was like, this is like a mix and match type of sandal that you could wear with any outfit, like any casual summer outfit that you want to like just look a little bit put together. These slides, I think, will do it for you. So yeah, so that is all, guys. That's the end of my little shoe summer haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know a lot of you guys like my little haul, so I will try to pop them out a little more often. Although I don't do a lot of shopping, it may look like it, but I don't. I purchase stuff like every now and then. Well, I'm not gonna lie, not every now and then. I don't purchase everything all at once. I purchase them as I go. So when I come and do the hauls, they may look like, ooh, I just bought this whole ton load of stuff, but no, that's not the case. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys sticking with me and showing me your support. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get me up to 100 subscribers. So if you know anyone, well, if you have any friends who like fashion and like style and like shopping, send them over here and tell them to subscribe. I'll truly appreciate it. And that's it. So stay tuned for the next one, guys.